Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel if you also trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD and others. So let's get started. GBPJPY right now trading at 156.73. This is the current market price. And if we look at the chart carefully, then we can see that right now there is not much movement in the market right now. Market looks very choppy, very sideways, very confusing. And as we all know, in a global scenario, in a global market, there is a uncertainty, unstableness, I think. Yeah. Uncertainty. Okay, there's an air of uncertainty, okay, because of the Russia and the Ukraine crisis. Okay, and right now market is extremely sensitive to news. Right now you can see that there are unexpected spikes and movements in the market right now, and because of the unexpected spikes and markets and the spikes and the movement, keep in mind following risk management is extremely important right now, because see, after a couple of days when the crisis will be over, at least you should be having your capital with you to trade again. Because in this market condition, in this unstable market, if you lose your capital, then you will be regretting when the market will be back to normal. Okay, so please follow proper risk management. Please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, so if you look at the chart of GBP JPY right now, then you can see not much movement here right now, and just answer one question simply. Okay, forget about if you have a trading position or not, if you think there is a opportunity or not, forget about indicators, anything like that. Okay, if I just show you the plain and simple chart here, what do you think about this market? Do you think that you should take a trade here? The answer is obviously no. This chart does not deserve your hard-earned money. Okay, because you can see that there is full of choppiness in our market. We do not have a clarity, we do not have a clear direction in our market. Okay, in case of sideways market also, we should have some good movements also, so that we can understand where to buy and where to sell. But in this market condition, we do not have a clarity, so obviously you should be avoiding GBP JPY right now. But yes, there are a few points. Okay, in case market reaches there, hits there, okay, we may get some opportunity. For example, the level of 158 at the top. Okay, if market goes up and reverses from 158 level, we can take a sell position. But yes, keep in mind, confirmation is extremely important. Confirmation is the insurance for traders. Why? Because see, we are just expecting that market will be reversing from here, because we think that this is a resistance in the market. And what is resistance? Resistance is a place of sellers. So are we confident? Are we confident that market will reverse? No, because we do not have the confirmation yet. But yes, if we see price rejection from above in this level, then we get the confirmation that yes, sellers are still present, and yes, we can take a sell position. But until and unless we get the confirmation, taking a sell position is a big mistake. If let's say market is standing at 158 level and market forms a big green candle, do you think that that is an ideal time to take the sell position? Obviously no, isn't it? So if market reverses from 158 level, take a sell position. If market breaks it, avoid GBPJPY. I'll be coming down tomorrow and I'll be telling you what should be your next strategy. But as of now, market is dull. Okay, let's hope that we will get a good sell position around 158 level. There may be another opportunity around 157 also, I would like to add. Okay, before 158, market may reverse from 157 also. If market reverses from 157 level, you can take a sell as well. But yes, confirmation. Similarly, we have 155 to 155.20. This is a support zone for the market. We can hope that if market comes down, then considering the present trend of the market, okay, present bullishness, okay, there is a possibility that market will try to take support and bounce from the 155 area. If market comes down to the 155 area and bounces, then also we can take a buy position. But in case there is a sudden selling in the market, okay, listen to me carefully. In case there is a sudden selling in the market, and if you see market breaking the support zone of 155 with good volume, then also you can take a sell position. But keep in mind the volume should be good. How to understand the volume? How to judge the volume? The size of the candle. Okay, as of now, just understand the size of the candle matters. Okay, because volume is a vast chapter I cannot cover in this video. Okay, so 155 on the downside, 158 on the upside is an important level, but right now the GBPJPY's chart is not giving us any clarity, any clarification. So avoid the market right now. Okay. If you are an experienced trader, you can try to take a buy position at the 200 moving average, because we can see that more or less 200 MA is acting as a support. So if market comes down to this level of 156.20, then also we can take a buy. But yes, beginners can avoid. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.